If Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation keeps failing, you're doing this wrong, and here's the 4-minute fix. Here's the problem. Most start with the tool, not the outcome. Win 1. Write your outcome in one sentence in under 60 seconds. Win 2. Pick the smallest version of Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation you can ship in 7 days. Why does this matter now? A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours, your bookings drop 30%. Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation done right closes that gap in days, not months. Most people fail here. They jump straight to tactics without defining the outcome. Do not do this. 82% of Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation attempts die in week 1 for this exact reason. Step 2. Timebox the first cycle to 7 days. 82% of Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation attempts that ship in week 1 keep going. Step 3. Set one number to track. This is important. Most people pick 4 KPIs and lose focus by day 3. One number costs $0 and saves 4 weeks. Here's the problem. DIY. 3 months, no result, frustration. Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation with Bastion Formations. 7 days, first result, momentum. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, here is the move that separates pros from amateurs. Lay a Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation into a weekly review. Every Monday, look at the one number. Ask one question: did it move? If yes, double down. If no, change one variable, not 5. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. Use this exact phrase when you start. By Friday, I will know if Saudi Arabia 100 foreign ownership company formation moved my one number. Outcome first, tool last. Ship the smallest version in 7 days. Track one number weekly. Visit https://bastionformations.com to start. Visit https://bastionformations.com.